So today then we are looking at calculating the median from a data set. So the median is one of the averages, okay? Mode, median, mean and range. Now there is a video on my channel then about all four averages. However, a few people have asked me about doing one just specifically for median. So here we go. Now the median, okay, the median is the middle value, okay? Think small, medium, large, okay? Medium is the middle size, okay? A median sounds a bit like medium, okay? Think of you like if you're cooking your steaks, you have rare, medium, well done. Medium is that middle cooking of a steak, so therefore it's the middle value. But we've got to put them in order first. So I'm going to put here middle value, but order first. And when we put them in order, we're going to put them in ascending order. So starting low and going up high, okay? Ascending order. Okay, that's that key word that we see a lot in Gcse exams, ascending. Now, when a plane takes off, it ascends to how many thousand feet? Okay, you always hear the pilot always saying, the plane is now ascended to 50,000 feet. And that's when we take seatbelts off. And then when you go to land, it will say, the plane is now going to start descending, which means going from up high down low. Okay, so two key words there: ascending from low to high, and descending from high to low. Two key words. So we're going to find the middle value, but we have to order them first. So let's do that. Starting with in ascending order, I'm going to start with the smallest, which is 2. I'm going to cross it off because I will forget otherwise. My next smallest value would be 3. Just going to cross it off there. Next one then would be 5. Cross it off. Then I've got a 6. Cross it off. And I've also got another 6. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I know I haven't missed any out. You might think that's a bit silly or a bit patronising, but you'd be surprised how many times people miss a number, especially when there's more than one of the same number. So you need to find the middle number. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cross off the outsides. Okay, imagine cutting the crusts off your sandwiches. You cut off the outsides. Okay, and then I'm going to cut off the outsides again, which leaves me with the 5. So this might have been the amount of goals someone scored, or the amount of eggs that chicken have laid in obviously a chicken coop. But there could be anything. It could be of ages of children. It could be anything. Remember, middle value, order first, find the middle. However, things get a little bit different when you have a different amount of numbers. Yes, I've just used bigger numbers here, but you'll see why this is slightly different when we get there. So, middle value, we need to order them first in ascending order. So let's do that bit first. Smallest value there would be 11. You'll notice I've put it underneath, okay? Again, it helps me not to forget any numbers or not to miss any out. So there's 11. Next one then would be 12. Let's check. Oh, we've got another 12, so we'll put that one under there. Let's cross that one off. Next one would be 13. Cross that one off. Then I've got 15. Cross that one off, and then last of all I've got 17. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers I should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Think of cutting the crusts off your sandwiches. You start on the outsides. Let's cross those 2 off. Let's cross these 2 off. Oh, right, I've got 2 numbers left now. Okay, so if I've got 2 numbers left, a little bit different. I still need to find the median, but I've got 2 different numbers. And now the median is what's halfway between. Okay, so I need to find halfway between. Now, some of you might look at that straight away and go, yep, it's 12.5. It's 12 and a half, because the halfway between 12 and 13 would be 12.5. Brilliant. It is 12.5, which I will write it in. Now, let me show you a little tip to help you work that out if you can't see it straight away. These 2 are nice, easy numbers. You might have something later on where you have two more complicated numbers. Little tip for you. Little tip, add them up to make 25. So add them together, then divide that by 2 to make 12.5. Okay, so my tip there would be add the two numbers. So we do first, secondly, divide total by 2. Or in other words, half it. That is only if we have two numbers as our middle. So remember, median is the middle value, but you have to order them first in ascending order. Hope it helps.